Hey everyone, welcome back to FHMB. If you're joining us for the first time, I am Gav, the fat hairy mountain biker. Today we're going to be doing some trail building. Let's crack on. Right, so let me tell you what I think I'm going to do. So I've spotted this new line. Let me show you it. I think might be interesting. So where we come up here on the XC trail, and we normally turn right and go to the hip, which is over there. I'm thinking of shooting straight off over this little berm. Turns into quite a steep bit of a hill, so you can get some speed up. And there's a nice little gap between these trees. And then I'm thinking of putting a kicker of some description right here, and it joins back to the original trail. Obviously you land back on the original trail somewhere. Now it works in my mind, but whether it'll actually work, I don't know. But let's hit some time lapses, see how it goes. Right everyone, that's the first bit done. Got it dug out, got a bit of shape to it. Now we got to turn that into a jump, and then I've got to hit it. No time to waste. Let's crack on. Right, that is the takeoff kind of shape to a fashion. So now we've got to make some kind of landing. So I'll crack on with the landing, then it's time to hit it. Right, we're in business, all ready to go. Take a quick look. So we're going to blast through these trees and straight into the step up, hopefully landing safely and down the track. So I'll get geared up, let's have a go. I'll stick you on chest cam. Let's crack on. The gap between them two trees is a lot shorter than I actually thought originally, and I've got 800mm bars. I've got literally 2.5 centimeters clearance each side when I go through. It's a bit unnerving, but let's go for it. That worked. Kind of worked. And them trees really put you off. Got to put them out of my mind and go through them as fast as I can. Let's go. That was terrible. That was terrible. I nearly crashed. I don't like going through them trees. How did that look? Right, let's have a crack on the downhill track and the XC track. Right, so the new jump kind of works. It's a little bit scary going through them trees, but it might be better on the bossnut because that's got 780 bars, gives me a little bit more clearance, so I'll try that next. But it didn't go too bad. Get some height on it, hopefully get some tables going on, that'd be nice. Right, so next up, what I want to do is find out what jumps further, the bossnut or the Haibike. So I've come to the downhill section, and the jump at the bottom of Mount Doom, as we all know as Shin Shredder. So I've got still got my marker in the floor there. Where I've reached with the bossnut, which was 5.5 meters, I've raked a bit of landing ground to see where we land, and I've packed the jump back up to where it was originally when I jumped it on the bossnut. So let's see which goes further. Let's crack on. Right, let's drop in for attempt number 1. Ring the bell. Let's go. I think that was very short. Oh yeah, that was terrible. Right, let's have another go. Right, let us change gear. There we go. Let's fly up Mount Doom with ease, look. Oh my god, that's just easy. Bit of a wheelie. Right, attempt number 2. I took some rebound off. See if that helps. Let's go. That was a lot closer. Let's see where that one was. Ugh, I'm still about a foot off. Right, one more try. Last ditch effort. Hey, now that was the closest yet. But no, still can't get it. Right, there we go guys. I've had about 6 attempts at trying to beat the record of the bossnut. Not a chance. I'm about half a metre back. If you can see the two sticks, the front one is the bossnut, the rear one's the Haibike. So yeah, oh well, it was worth a try. Right guys, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button. If you like all things mountain bike, then maybe think about subscribing. And if you fancy getting some merch, there's 10% off using code FHMB10. And I will catch you in the next one.